Hello guys, good evening. My name is Sheikh Mohammad Tanveer and this is my first short that I'm going to make. In this short I will give my introduction and as well as I would like to let you know that I'm going to open a YouTube channel where I will upload my daily blogs and which will be obviously in English. So dear friends who are interested to learn English, to practice English with me, please do subscribe my channel and like whatever the video I will upload in this channel, and stay with me to learn more and more daily use sentences and what type of sentence usually used in professional life. I will tell you all those sentences. So that's all for today's video, and I will come with the next short and video with more and more sentences like this.